Yes, I am back with another interesting recipe I know you all are going to love to watch. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this porridge yam. It is called agworagwo in my language. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I'm starting by peeling off my yam. I'm going to peel off the yam and then I'll cut it into smaller sizes, just the way I want it to be.
Step into the kitchen where the magic's made, from spicy jollof rice to fresh marmalade. Every flavor tells a story near and far, and easy.
So once I'm done peeling off the yam, next I'm going to wash the yam neatly and then transfer it into my pot, cover it to cook until it is soft. So make sure you cook your yam for it to be very soft. Next, I'm going to start cutting my vegetable. So when I went to the market, I saw green. It's been long I ate green. I do buy ugu all the time. So when I saw this green, I bought it for 2.99 each. It's a little bit expensive, but what can you do? You can't eat your money now. So I'm going to pluck off the vegetable from the stick and then cut it, wash it neatly, and then I keep it aside.
Oma's kitchen where you're the star. There's laughter in the seasoning, a dance in every dish. From pepper soup so spicy to your grandmama's wish. Her secret blend of spices brings warmth to the room. In Oma's kitchen, comfort chases gloom. Oh, Oma's kitchen, a flavorful embrace, where stories blend with spices, memories find their place.
So once I'm done cutting up the vegetable, I'm going to put it in a bowl, wash it neatly, and keep it aside. So next, what you need again is red bell pepper and tatashi with onions. So I'm going to take off the seed from the red bell pepper and tatashi because I don't need it on this recipe. Then I'm going to use my food processor to grind the red bell pepper and tatashi. So if you don't have food processor, you can always use knife or mortar to do it. So at this point, I went back to the yam. The yam is fully cooked and it's very soft, just the way I want it. So guys, I'm going to keep it aside and then I'm going to be adding oil on the pot. I allow the oil to dissolve, after which I'm going to go in with my onions and my red bell pepper. And then I'm going to give it a stir, allow it to steam for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Each dish is a celebration from the heart and soul.
After 10 minutes, I'm going to give it a little bit of stir and then go in with my ingredients, which I'm going to be listing in the description box of this video. I always advise to use your own spices you have at home. It's not a must that you must use what I used. So I went in with upaka and kanda. Then I'll give it a stir and then I'll cover it to steam for another 3 minutes.
In Oma's kitchen, we all find our role.
After 3 minutes, I'm going to add the yam on it. So I'm going to add yam and then I'll mix it up nicely until I can no longer see the white yam.
Hear the sizzle on the stove top, a symphony in pans, while the garlic mingles softly with the bold plantains. Every bite a journey to lands both old and new, and Oma's kitchen dreams come true.
So once I'm done mixing it, I'm going to go in with my vegetable. So on this part, you can also use the vegetable you have. You can use ugu, you can use spinach. It's still going to come out nice. So I'll add the vegetable and then I'm going to mix it up nicely.
From dawn's early light to the evening.
Honestly, this is one of my favorite way of making yam. It really came out nice, guys. Without you testing it, you go know say this food go sweet well. So I'm going to cover it to steam for another 2 minutes. And then that is it. Your yam porridge is ready, or agworagwo is ready. Just take a look at it. It really came out nice. And guess what? It tastes amazing. If you're going to be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Help me to like, comment, and also share it to your family and friends. See you all on my next one. Bye.